Thiruvayaru, a temple town on the banks of the sacred river Kaveri, near the city of Tanjavur. Festivals of performing arts in classical and folk forms are a regular feature at this place of pilgrimage. Thiruvayaru, as part of the fertile Tanjavur region, has been a major center for music and dance traditions for centuries. Folk arts in general denote naturally artistic collective expressions intimately connected with rural life. They provide glimpses of the culture and ethos of the common people and reflect the concepts and experiences of the community. The folk forms of music and dance in particular relate to all the important aspects of the life cycle like birth, love, marriage, seasons, occupations, worship practices, and so on. They have an innate charm and an instant and powerful appeal. The simplicity and earthiness of the folk forms have their own dynamism. Entertainment and message are well blended in this medium without being complicated. They serve to promote harmony in the community. Even today, folk art forms are in profusion in India. They have undergone many levels of refinement. This constitutes a very significant element in the cultural heritage of the country. Karagam has come to refer to one of the dance forms developed as part of worship rituals relating to village or local deities. As per tradition, these deities are to be propitiated to pray for rains, seek protection, and ward off evils, natural calamities, epidemics, and so on. The term Karagam denotes the flower pot balanced on the head in worship. The pot is a symbol of the deity. The decorations on the pot include covering with margosa leaves, flowery designs, conical and crown-like, and a toy parrot perched on the top. Depending on the occasions, the pot is filled with water or rice with scope for varying the weight. Music accompaniment is provided by an orchestra. The Nayandi Melam, consisting of Nagaswaram, the pipe, and percussion drums, that is tawil, pambai, and cymbals. The steps and movement patterns are intricate, varied, and in different tempo, displaying immense skills. The accent is on rhythm, gradually increasing the speed to a climax. The pot is so admirably balanced even while executing slanting poses and bends. Originally performed by men, Karagam is increasingly danced by women also, generally in combination. Kavadi is a folk art form related to the cult of Murugan or Kartikeya. This is a sort of penance to get rid of ego observed by the devotees of Lord Muruga when they go on a pilgrimage to his shrine, generally located on a hilltop. The dance is performed with kavadi, consisting of a horizontal bar of wood with an arch over it, covered with flowers or cloth and decorated with peacock feathers. Sometimes a pot filled with water or milk is tied to it. There are different types of decorations for the kavadi with suitable names assigned. Special songs in praise of the Lord are sung while taking the kavadi. This helps to alleviate the strain involved in climbing. Performed as entertainment, kavadi is balanced behind the neck, slowly and skillfully moved to various positions and swung round without using the hand. It is made to slide on the shoulder, head, back, arm and so on. The music is provided by wind and percussion instruments, that is Nagaswaram, Tavil, Pambai and Urmi. A dummy horse with all the limbs except the legs is prepared with bamboo and cardboard and decorated with colors and mirror work with gold foil. The dancer stands through the hole on the back of the dummy horse with stilts tied to his legs. The dancer appears to be riding the horse. Different patterns of movement are exhibited to the accompaniment of instrumental music provided by the Nagaswaram, Tawil and Tambal or drums. Poikal Kudure is danced in solo as well as in pair, a male and a female, representing Raja and Rani, waving a scarf. Tappu is a one-sided drum made by tying buffalo calf leather around a circular wooden frame and played with the use of two sticks. Mostly played by agricultural laborers, Tappu has a role in the worship rituals relating to village deities. Playing Tappu is also resorted to regulate the movement of the temple chariot during the festival occasions by providing proper indications.
தண்டவாணியின் கொண்டாடும் காவடிகள் அண்டமெல்லா நாட்டமே சகரும் கொண்டாடிடும் கூட்டமே.
Oil Kummi denotes a type of dance as well as the song presented with it. Generally, Kummi is danced by women, but Oil Kummi is performed by men and prevalent in the southern parts of Tamil Nadu. This is danced throughout the night by young men narrating some old story or legend, generally mythological, through songs. This is specially presented during Pongal or harvest festival celebrated in the month of January. The dancers wear ornamental clothes including turbans and wave a handkerchief while performing. The movement patterns vary according to the meter and rhythm of the songs. The theme relating to Valliyamme, the tribal woman who became the wife of Lord Muruga or Kartikeya, the son of Shiva and Parvati, is a popular item in the repertoire.
கொஞ்சம் மூதறிவில்லாத வாடி காதலர பேச வந்தாய் மூடா வேடா பழனி மலை பரமஞ்சி தன்குமரன் நடி அண்ணன் பெருவயரன் நடி அந்த பாவை எங்கினும் மேவும் துப்பையன்றாக அடி மயில் ஏறும் வெறனடி என்ன என்ன விலையுள்ளது சொன்ன விலைதாரேன் செட்டியர சொன்ன விலைதாரேன் இந்த சிறந்த வரன் விட்டு இறங்கி வருவேன் உறுதி உரிமையா செட்டியரே உறுதி உரிமையா
Kolatam is a group dance performed striking sticks in unison to the accompaniment of music. The dancers weave various patterns, circular, moving in and out, forming straight lines and so on.